Hello guys, review Realme C100i, this version 4GB RAM and 128GB storage. Open box, look complectation. In complectation we have of course device in the silver color, and this we have protected back cover. Case, silicone case, we have 6600 mAh battery, armor shield protection, IP64, 120 Hz display. Adapter for charging with quick charge, 15 watt Type-C cable. Okay, and now talk about device. On this side, power button, wall buttons, double camera on the back side, on this slot for SIM cards, downside Type-C speaker, microphone and headphones jack, 6.8-inch display, okay, turn on. We have HD display, IPS 120 Hz, Android 16, Realme UI 16. Open tests, Geekbench, look results Geekbench score. This Geekbench score we have CPU Unisoc T7250 and Mali G57 GPU. Look Antutu benchmark results. Okay, and run PUBG Mobile, look how this game works on the device. Game load and load on the graphics on the medium level. Graphics, we have medium level graphic. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.